now we are starting. All you need to do is you come to business.facebook.com. all right, so you are going to see this very interface. Is actually a business manager account. Okay, business manager account. So you'll be able, under this business manager account, you'll be able to create ad account. Business manager account is actually different from ad account. Okay, so you'll be able to create ad account. Ad account is where you are running your ads from. But this business is the business manager is the one managing all the ads that you have created. All the ads that you have created under ad account. Okay, so now we are going to use since I have created a lot of account already, I will use this very account. Okay, I will use this very account for it. All right, so now let's assume I want to create a particular account. You can see these are ads that I've created, that have run in time past, and they are very successful and converting one like that. Okay, so now let me take you through this very interface. Okay, this is the home button, and you can see we are back to our home button. All right, so okay, it's loading. So this is business tools. Under business tools, we have ad manager, we have ad account settings, we have billing, we have business settings, we have account quality, page post. Okay, ad manager is actually our ad, where we are managing our ad from. Ad account is where the ad is being created. Billing is where we do settling of bills like that, so paying bills for your ad. Business settings is where you do some settings, you add people, maybe you need to add people into your account so that they can be able to run or be an admin or under this business setting, you'll be able to add people. You'll be able to give people roles, maybe in order to manage that very account. But I have always been advising that you don't make anybody an admin, because if you make anybody an admin on your page, that shows you, the person that you have made an admin, you guys are sharing the same power. Okay, that shows you guys you can be a co-owner of that very account. Okay, so I don't advise you to give make anybody an admin also. All right, okay, now let's go to account quality. Account quality is where you know the status of your account. This page post is where you monitor your page, what is happening on your page. Okay, so the list is like that. It's very simple. Okay, this one is account overview. Like when you can see it will give me the report of what I've done in the past. All right, so I've spent almost 26,000 on this very account. So amount remaining, I have 531. Though I have other accounts which I use, but for this course, for this particular training, I'm actually using this account for us. Okay, current limit is 26,583. There's a way you can set a limit. All right, so these are the campaigns that they are successful campaigns that have run in time past. Okay, also like that. Now let's go to where we want to run the ads. We want to create this ad, so we click here. All right, now this is another interface that we have to be very another interface that will be that right decision must be made. Okay, you have to make the right decision. This where you have to choose a campaign objective. You choose a campaign objective. Okay, maybe you want to do brand awareness for your product. You want to do reach. Brand awareness is actually getting is a kind of objective that you set, a kind of goal that you set that will make you to um, be visible, that will make you to get familiar with your customers. What am I saying? Like maybe you are selling something now, maybe you have a page, a news portal page, and you want people to know about the page. You can actually do brand awareness. You can reach more people here. Exactly. Even with the name, you reach a good number of people that will want to take action, like liking your post, liking your page, commenting, and all that. So this place is consideration. Consideration is talking about this is when you set a goal for more traffic, more engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages. Okay, traffic now is maybe you have a product to to a website, so more traffic will be generated to that very website. That is what that one is talking about. Engagement, like people get engaged, they are not buying, but they take action, like commenting, liking your post. They get engaged whenever you drop something. I don't know, maybe you've noticed, like there are some, when you drop a particular image or a write-up, you don't see people to react to it. It's just because the algorithm have not identified with it. Okay, so once you do this, if you are running an ad for engagement, people will be able to identify with that particular post. They will be able to comment and take actions probably. All right, so we have app installs, like maybe you have an app, maybe you sell goods and you have an app for it, and you want people to download your app, to get the app installed so that they can actually buy or do what you want them to do. Okay, I don't know, maybe you get that app. Okay, so that one is actually for apps install. We have video views for YouTubers, for video content creators, that you generate more views on your video. Lead generation is more or less like you are leading your other competitors. So you get, and this one is actually messages to people will message you directly to your inbox, to your WhatsApp, and this can be done directly to your inbox, your Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp. Okay, so we have conversions. We have catalog sales. We have store traffic, that people will come to your store. They will make inquiry and come to your store. Catalog sales is maybe on your WhatsApp now. If you are using business WhatsApp, you have a catalog where you have your goods or your product, so they will be able to buy. Under catalog sales on your WhatsApp, you can actually name your price, a fixed price like that, so they will be able to buy. So that is what. But before you can go further, you must choose a goal. You must choose an objective. Okay, so let's say reach. Let me say reach. Now we say continue. Okay, we say continue. Don't forget, you must have a good internet. If you don't have a good internet, it can be frustrating. Okay, and it's very simple. Okay, we can name this place. This is just the name of. We can make it new campaign or reach. All right, so now going further, you don't have anything to do with this one. This one is campaign budget optimization. Like if you have 10 ads, like you want to run different ads, you can actually say on. So once you put 5,000 naira, it will be separated. It will be shared. Okay, it will be shared across all the ads that you have. But since we are just doing one particular, so we say next. All right. Okay, so this one you can still say reach. You can say more. All right, more audience. Okay, this is actually for you to be able to identify name it, so for easy identification. Okay, so now you come to this page, you come to this place, you come and choose. Okay, look at it. I have a lot of pages that I'm managing for people. I have CV Africa, digital, office space, SMS Africa, them like that. I have Domino Abyss, that is the church, Simeon Ella, and all that. So I want to do kinetic create is one of them. So let me choose kinetic create. Now my budget, you come to budget. About budgeting, I would say you can run an ad for as low as 500 naira. All right, you can run an ad for as low as 500 naira, even if it is not encouraging or advisable for you to run an ad for as low as 500, but it's actually an opportunity for you to maximize the opportunity. Okay, like now you can change it, you can make it 1,000, and the more the budget, the more the number of reach. Let me put 10,000 naira. Okay, you can see it has increased to about 993,000. So this is the number of reach. Okay, but there is actually a knack to it. Do you get what I'm saying? There is actually a knack how you can add it, how you can get more people. So let me say I want to do this ad for 500. Okay, I said it, you can run an ad as low as 500, even $1. So I will say 500 naira. 500 naira. Okay, now this is the start date. Maybe the ad is actually starting. You want the ad to start like now. Like now, you can choose by the time. Presently, this is the time. I mean, this is today's date. I can say let this ad start tomorrow, 8 a.m., 8:29 a.m., or I can say 12 a.m. in the midnight, so that when people are waking up, they see my ad. Okay, do you get what I'm saying? Okay, you can set an end date. You can set an end date. Okay, you can say this ad should be up by 12 or 1 a.m. Or let me see, this ad should run to tomorrow, just one day, 12. Saying, okay, you can see it said this ad will run for fewer than 24 hours. Okay, so you come here. Okay, you can see. Okay, you can say 12 a.m. I don't know, maybe it's up to a day, but you can actually, what I'm actually trying to explain here is you can choose. You can choose your date. You can choose your date. You can choose time. You can change this guy. You can change it to your taste, to whatever you want. Okay, so now we have audience. This audience, I have some audience that have been saved already. I have some audience that have been saved, but because of this course, we are going to look at this one. This one is actually an important section too. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, because just like now, if I want to run an ad for people, in a particular location, maybe in Nigeria, you can choose Nigeria. You can people living in Nigeria, people living in this location, people recently in this location, people traveling in this location. So you get, but now that is Nigeria. I can choose USA. Maybe you are outside the country. Let me say USA, United States. You can choose it. And for good maximization of your audience, I would advise you should select your audience based on the kind of ad you are promoting, what you are doing, based on the kind of brands you are promoting. Okay, I want people all over the world to see this very ad. Okay, so I want people over people in other countries to see it. I can choose it. Is that clear? But for this very particular ad, I want people in Lagos. I want people in Lagos to actually see this ad. Do you get what I'm saying now? I want people in Lagos to see this ad. So I want people in Lagos to actually see this very ad. You can see I choose Lagos State, Nigeria. All right, so this ad will be seen by people in Lagos, and you can see it. It said 4,000 to 13k, 4,600 to 13k. Okay, so that is how you can actually maximize the audience, the kind of audience in terms of location. So can you see it? Can you see Lagos? I choose Lagos. So now I come to, I can also come. So let me go to age. This is another important area that you don't have to take for granted. You see, depending on what you are doing, you choose the age. I want this particular ad to be seen by people less than 50. So I say from 20 years of age to 48. Okay, another thing is maybe this ad should be seen by women or men, or both of them. So I want both of them. This is another area which is very complex, but at the same time it's very simple. What this place is doing for you is detailed targeting. They call it detailed targeting. All right, and before they said detailed targeting, that shows it must be details. All right, detailed. So ad demography, like let me say, I want people that watch comedy. I want people that watch comedy to actually see this. I will add it. Do you get what I'm saying? So you can search and put the kind of people that you want them on your page. The kind of people you want on your page, you can choose them here. All right, it's detailed targeting. So if you stay true, you will enjoy what I'm saying. I mean, you will get it more. But let's just leave that for now. Okay, let's go forward by saying languages. All languages, everybody that's on social media should see it. Automatic placement. This place is actually talking about automatic placement is where they will paste. They will place your ad for you. They will choose a particular place for you where they think the ad can actually feature, but there's actually an knack to that. You can choose manual placement. If you are choosing manual placement, you want your ad to be on Facebook and on Instagram. You don't want it to be on Messenger. You don't want people to see it on Messenger. You can uncheck it. You don't want people, audience network, you don't want them like you don't want it. You can uncheck it. So you know that where I'm actually targeting is Facebook and Instagram. Do you get what I'm saying now? You can see that. And if you want it to be seen on Messenger, you check it. Alright, so anybody that is on Messenger will see your ad. I don't know, you've seen some ad like that, like all this loan app and all that. You see them on Messenger. Okay, so moving forward, but let's choose automatic placement on this particular ad. Okay, so yeah, optimization for ad delivery reach. Okay, you don't really need anything. Impression. We will serve your ads to the maximum number of people. We will deliver your ad to people as many times as possible. Do you see? So it will be coming like often and often. People will be seeing it, but this one will actually make you spend a lot. I'm telling you, it will make you spend a lot. So reach, let's just do reach. Okay, so we say next. Now this is where we are. Okay, we want this particular ad to be on Facebook. This is the Facebook page and this is the Instagram page. Okay, so this is where you want to select the image that will be there. Single image or video. Carousel is maybe you have more than one image. Maybe you are selling something, you want to do more images, so you choose this. If you choose this, you'll be able to put a lot of images. Alright, so but I only have one image that I want to use. So primary text, in case you have something different, you can change it. I want you to buy this, and don't forget what I told you the other time. During copywriting, you must be a good copywriter before you can convince people to buy, to like your project. I mean your product or your services. You can see that say Kinetic Create is an advertising agency, often referred to as second to none creative agency or an ad agency. You know, when you see the caption, you will be like, okay, you want to read more. We are dedicated to creating, planning and handling advertising and sometimes other forms of production and marketing for our clients. You can see it. When you see that, you'll be like, okay, let me read more. So you must be pro in copywriting. All right, so your headline, maybe you have promotion gurus. Can you see it now? Promotion gurus. Okay, so now you come to this description. Maybe you want to write few things. I can copy this guy and put it here. You can see it's there already. You can see the changes. Okay, so now add URL. What I do most time is you just go back to your Facebook. You can copy your Facebook link, okay, for that particular page. And how do you do that? Let me go to Facebook. You come to this guy, you see pages. So you click on this particular page and you can copy this link, okay, and put this link here. All right, can you see what I'm saying? You just copied this very link. So once they click it, it will take them back to your page. Or if you have website, you can also put www.kineticcreate.com. But for this course, in case you don't have, a website, you can actually do what I just did. All right. Display link. If you want it to enter the link you want to show on your ad. If you don't have any link, fine. If you have any link, you put it. Okay, so once they click, but if you don't have any link, maybe your Facebook, you can put your WhatsApp link. Yes, you can put your WhatsApp link. This is another place. Maybe you are selling. If you are selling something, you can choose between the buttons that you want to see. You can say get, show times, learn more. If you want to do, maybe you want to run a particular program, you can say learn more. You can say listen now. Maybe you are doing a podcast, send message. If you want people to feedback, request time. If you want people to actually, whatever you want to pick, can you see it? You say if you want people to subscribe, watch more, apply now, call now, contact us, download, get directions, get quote, that is quotation, direction to your place, depending on the kind of ad you are running. Is that clear? Is that clear? So far I can leave with no button. All right, I'm good, and I say published. So once I say published, you can see it's in draft. Yeah, it's in draft, all because we are still working on it. So you say publish. It's published. Well, you can see it says schedule. You can see it says schedule. So Facebook you have done your part, and make sure you don't add some make sure what you are doing actually comply with Facebook advertising policies. Like you don't use some words, you can be banned, you can be the ads are not fly. So that is just it. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. This Facebook scheduling, so they will preview and review it, and in less than before the D-Day, I asked it to run tomorrow. For 12 p.m. I'll be today 12 p.m. Okay, tomorrow 12 p.m. 12 a.m. So by then it will automatically started, because it has been automated already. So you get, so that is just it. But that is just it about that. Is just that about that. Another thing that I think we should see. Another thing that we think I should show us is how to actually add money. Let me go to billing. Okay. You see, I click on payment settings. You see it, add money. Do you see it now? Add money. So once you get here, you'll be able to add amount. Let me say 1,000 or 2,000. Yeah, you're supposed to have a place where you'll be able to add your card. I've added my card already. Okay, you click here, you say next. So you'll be able to add the details of your card. Here, name of card, you type it, card number, you type it, month of that the card will expire, you put it, CVV is the 3-digit number at the back of you put it, and you say save. All right. So since I have my card being added already, so I can say add fund. Once I say add fund and there is money inside my account and my card is allowed to run ads, then it will be funded automatically. The money will be deducted and it will be credited at this end. Okay. Let's talk about card that are allowed. Actually, I use Zenith Bank, Mastercard, Zenith Bank. Okay. So I think Zenith Bank is working. A lot of people used to have issues with other banks. Zenith Bank is working. That's what I've been using. Okay. So in case you have any other question, you can drop it. You can drop it as we have come to the end of this class. Thank you so much.